back, man. We back in the motherfucking kitchen, man. Live with my nigga BLANCOfilms, man. BLANCOfilms, man. Like my nigga, what my nigga Webby say? Nigga, you gon' make it, man. Nigga, you gon' be famous.
You gon' be big.
You gon' be big, nigga.
What, man? You gon' be big, man.
BLANCOfilms, man. You gon' be big. We gon' be big, my nigga.
A little bit.
Almost on the radio speed. Said stop. I caught my plug in. I told him that it took too long. He said it's on the way. I know it's gonna put me on. That's what I told you. That shit had too much, man. Them boys don't want that on the radio. Probably. I got my plug and I told him that it took too long. What you think, Block? He said it's on the way. I know it's gonna he ain't doing what he ain't doing, nigga. He ain't doing what he said. That's a go in. It's been a drought and I'm just waiting on one fool around with that one. That'll be D-Nice 100 and Tone Red, the motherfucking super producer. Hey, we finna turn into a motherfucking Gucci man and Zay told me.
I can't talk too much.
No, man. We up in here, man. We putting in overtime, bro. Every day, all day, man. Rock with my nigga D-Nice 100. Chilly Willie. BLANCOfilms. We in this bitch doing it big, man. 9-10 shit. Eastern Carolina, we in this bitch. Eastern Boy Airport. Y'all know what it is, man. Love my hood. And we gonna keep getting it. You see how we do it.
BLANCOfilms, nigga, what we do, nigga. You already know what we doing, nigga. In the booth, my nigga Tone Red, nigga turning up, flexing up all the time, not stop. Go, nigga, though. We gon' go more, nigga.
Let's go. This other shit I do, I just don't make enough. I take that bell and I open that bag and I told the blood thing. And I start getting money cause the shit so good and it got a nigga bang. And it comes so fat, all blue honey, no been frank. And the shit so white, the shit so shiny, just like an angel. If you don't understand that, then that's that plug, It ain't nothing in the hood, I guess you can go. And I told the blood I need some more. Tell my dope, thank you. I caught my plug and I told him that he took too long. He said it's on the way, I know it's gonna